Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Boi's kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today we are going to make the best peach cobbler. This recipe is absolutely delicious and is prepared with fresh, juicy peaches and a wonderfully sweet cake-like topping that makes this a perfect summer dessert. And ice cream on top is pure honey for my honey. Yes, my honeys. Everyone has their own favorite or family recipe, I suppose. Some folks enjoy a sweet cake like topping. Other folks prefer a thick cut biscuit topping. Mine is kinda in between. So let's get started. You know Mama Boi doesn't like to waste time. Let's get right into the ingredients. You will need self-rising flour. Sugar is divided into 2 bowls. Cinnamon, milk, cinnamon sugar, vanilla extract. You'll also need butter and peaches, of course. Start by preheating your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, and while it's preheating, we're gonna melt our butter. We're gonna go ahead and peel our peaches. This easy cobbler recipe comes together in just few minutes and is such a highly pleasing way to bring out the amazing flavor of fresh peaches with simple ingredients you have in your pantry. The rich flavors that the fruit layer contributes are amazing, guys. If you are making this recipe after peach season is over, frozen peaches or canned peaches are perfect for this recipe. You can even use any kind of fruit you have. All the peaches are sliced. We're gonna set them aside. Now let's move on to work on our simple syrup. Bring to a boil half cup water and half cup sugar. Just so you know, guys, simple syrup is made from 1 part water to 1 part sugar. Or you can try the other way, which is faster, by first boiling your water, then add the sugar and stir the sugar until it's dissolved. As soon as the sugar has dissolved, we're gonna add the peaches to the simple syrup. Add cinnamon. Then cook for about 5 minutes. The peaches that I'm using, they are unripe, guys. I don't buy overripe peaches because I know I have to cook them for 5 minutes, then bake them for 50 minutes. As soon as the syrup starts to thicken, the peaches are done. Guys, this recipe is the best. It's a keeper. Now let's move on and work on our topping. In a medium bowl, combine flour, sugar, milk, and vanilla extract. Mix everything until well combined and smooth. Mix until your batter is smooth. Some people prefer the batter with lumps. I like mine super smooth. Next, we're gonna pull out the baking dish with melted butter out of the oven and pour the batter on top of the melted butter. Please guys, do not mix. I'm using a 13 by 9 inches pan, guys. Top with peaches and simple syrup. The sweetness of simple syrup and sourness of peaches will complete this dish, guys. It will be well balanced. Now we're gonna pop this in the oven and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 50 minutes. The cobbler is out of the oven. Now we're gonna sprinkle the cinnamon sugar on top. Guys, it smells so good in here. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Please share it with your friends and your family. If you are new to my channel, welcome to Mama Boi's Kitchen. Please subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook at Mama Boi's Kitchen. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my